All right, so I just made some Old El Paso cornbread mixture, and we are filling up our muffin tin with this delicious batter. So easy, so delicious. It already has the taco seasoning in it for our super easy Mexican inspired lunch dinner. All right, once our muffin tin is filled with our cornbread batter, we are gonna grab our cooked ground beef and we're gonna add a scoop of our ground beef right into our cornbread mixture, just like so. If you don't wanna do ground beef, you could do shredded chicken, you could do some carne asada, some carnitas, whatever meat you like, you could throw into this cornbread for this delicious dinner. Okay, and I did season my ground beef with some taco seasoning, but there's also taco seasoning already in the cornbread. All the flavors are gonna be super potent and super delicious. Oh my goodness, this looks incredible. I am so excited. Okay, we'll get a little bit extra meat in the ones that didn't get as much. Perfect. Next, we're gonna add our diced jalapenos. Now, if you don't like the spice, you could do the diced green chilies, but I personally love jalapenos with cornbread, so I'm just doing like a teaspoon of the jalapenos right on top of that ground beef. Ooh, these flavors are just gonna be so potent and so tasty. All right, so let's go ahead and get our jalapenos in each of our little muffin tin holes. Look how delicious these are looking. You can use whatever cornbread mixture you like. I just saw the Old El Paso and I've never tried it before, so I had to try it for this obviously Mexican inspired cornbread dish. But I also think that the Jiffy would be good, or the Dolly Parton, whatever cornbread mixture you like, or even some homemade cornbread, just go for it. The options are always, you know, endless with my recipes. Customize it to your liking, and I will definitely let you know how this Old El Paso cornbread mixture turns out. Okay, before we pop this in the oven, I am gonna put some shredded Mexican cheese blend on here. I am doing the reduced fat just to keep it a little lighter, and we're just gonna sprinkle it right on top, just like this. Nothing crazy, because we don't want the cheese to burn before the muffins cook. Oh my goodness, don't these look so good, babe?
Oh, the aroma is outrageous.
Oh yeah. These are gonna be super tasty, great for a potluck or for a, you know, Taco Tuesday. If you don't want to make a traditional taco, this is the way to do it. Oh yeah.
And these will travel very easy.
Yeah, work potluck, a Sunday church potluck, everyone will love these. Okay, and these are ready for the oven. Just make sure that cheese doesn't, you know, stick to the sides and burn the dish. This is a silicone muffin tin, so it should be relatively clean. Okay, my oven is set to 350 and these are gonna bake for about 30 minutes. Oh my, these smell incredible. Okay, we're instantly gonna come in with our pico and we are gonna put a little scoop right on top of our little cornbread muffins, just like so. Oh my gosh, this freshness is just gonna complement our warm cornbread muffins so beautifully. Obviously, you could do like a salsa or a sour cream on top. You could top it like a taco, however you like, but I'm gonna keep it pretty simple for this one because we got some picky eaters here. So the pico should be beautiful, and then we're gonna add some nice cilantro because personally, I don't think there's enough cilantro in this pico. But let's go ahead and get these covered. You can add as little or as much as you like. That is the beauty of these little muffins. Last one.
They smell delicious.
Yeah. Like I mentioned, we're gonna add some cilantro and we are just gonna make it easy for ourselves and just cut some right on top of all of these muffins. I'm making it super easy because I am kind of a lazy cook, if you guys haven't caught on to that yet.
Well, there's a bunch of lazy eaters out there, so.
Yeah, exactly. So we're just gonna get some cilantro all over our muffin tin, here and there. Make it super easy and delicious. I love cilantro. Obviously, if you're one of those people where cilantro tastes like soap, I would skip it. But for me, it tastes yummy and delicious and is perfect on my tacos. So we're gonna go ahead and make sure that those little pieces end up on our muffins and not just on the side. Beautiful. Okay, it is time to give one a try. We have the silicone muffin tin, so it's just gonna pop right out. Oh my goodness, look at that beautiful taco corn muffin. Ah! So excited to give it a try. Mmm. Perfectly cooked.
Nice.
Enjoy.